In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your email campaign in Constant Contact. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate a video into your email campaign, you're in the right place. Not only does adding video content catch your audience's attention, but it can also boost engagement and click-through rates. So let's get started with this simple process. First, you'll want to create or edit an existing email campaign within Constant Contact. This is your workspace, where your creative vision comes to life. As you set up or modify your campaign, think about the message you want to communicate and how a video will enhance it. Once inside your campaign, locate the video block. If you're working from a desktop, you'll find it nestled among the options in the sidebar. Mobile users can easily access it through the plus icon. This block is your gateway to integrating video into your email seamlessly. After you spot the video block, it's all about dragging it into your email layout. You'll see how it fits within the structure of your email, allowing you to place it exactly where it makes the most impact, whether it's at the top to grab attention right away or embedded further down as part of your content narrative. Now, with the block in place, click on Edit. This opens up the magic of linking your video. Here, you'll paste the URL of your video. It could be from YouTube or another supported platform. On mobile devices, if you've connected your Vimeo account, you'll have the option to select a video directly from there. It's a straightforward way to bring your email content to life with dynamic visuals. Upon entering the video's URL, Constant Contact's editor will automatically pull the video's thumbnail. It overlays a play button to signal to your audience that there's a video waiting to be watched. This intuitive design quickly communicates interaction, inviting your readers to click and view. While the default thumbnail is usually a great choice, you have the flexibility to change it if you wish. Whether you want to select a different frame from the video itself, pick an image from your library, or upload a photo from your device, this optional step allows you to customize the visual appeal further. Consider what image will most effectively capture your viewer's attention and reinforce your email's message. Once you're satisfied with the setup, simply click Insert, or confirm if you're on a mobile device to finalize your work. And there you have it. A video integrated into your Constant Contact email campaign, ready to engage and inspire your subscribers. By following these steps, you've enhanced your communication toolkit, bringing multimedia engagement directly to your audience's inboxes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your email marketing efforts.